How to fix iPhone 14 Pro Camera Flickering Issue. Hello everyone, I am Vishakha and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial and open settings on your device. Go to General and then on Software Update and make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest version of iOS. In Settings itself, tap on Display and Brightness and make sure the toggle button for True Tone is off. Go back and tap on General again. Scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone and then on Reset and then on Reset All Settings. Enter your passcode and go ahead and reset all settings. If it is still not fixed, restart your device. To restart, press the volume up button and the power button together. Wait for a minute or two and restart your device again. Also, make sure to clean your camera lens. Dirt or dust can also cause the camera to flicker, so clean the lens with a microfiber towel or with the lens cleaning solution. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.